Hi students, how are you? Hope you're doing great. It's night out here. I needed some fresh air. And well, let's hope the noise doesn't interrupt our class, okay? So, we're going to continue with the countable and uncountable nouns. Remember that countable nouns are the ones we can count, like students, teacher, birds, flowers, whatever, okay? And uncountable nouns are the things we cannot count, such as the air. We cannot count the air, nor water or oil. We can count how many liters of oil are there or how many bottles, but not oil, okay? So we're going to study today when to use a or an. For example, a spider, remember a means one, a spider, an eagle, okay? Okay, let's hope the dog doesn't bark all the class. So, we use a as one, but we have a variation of that a, an. Let me show you. So we have it over here, countable and uncountable nouns, okay? The word one can be replaced with an a or an, but how do we use them? A, when the noun begins with consonant. For example, one car, C is a consonant, a car. One word, W is a consonant, a word, okay? We replace one with an when the noun begins with a vowel. For example, apple. One apple turns into an apple, not a apple, an apple. One eagle equals an eagle, okay? So far so good. So we use a when the word begins with a consonant and an if the word begins with a vowel. Remember the vowels, A, E, I, O, U, okay? And the consonants we have B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, and Z, okay? So vowels, consonants. But there are some exceptions. And what is the exception? When the noun begins with a vowel but has a consonant sound, we use a instead of an. For example, here, unicorn. So, unicorn begins with vowel, okay? But the sound sounds like Y. Unicorn. It's not unicorn. Unicorn, okay? Sounds like Y. Therefore, we don't say an unicorn. We say a unicorn. Pay attention here. The sound. It's not unicorn. It's unicorn. Like we're using a Y. Unicorn. So therefore, a unicorn. Here, uniform, same case, Y, one uniform, a uniform, not an uniform, okay? And when the noun begins with a silent H, we use a instead of n. When the H is pronounced, we use a instead of n. For example, so the H, when it goes silent, what is the meaning of silent? The H doesn't sound. Hour, okay? It's not hour, it's hour. 1 hour, it's a silent H. We have an hour. An, even though H is a consonant, but is silent, okay? An hour. Here, hotel. We don't say hotel, we say hotel. Therefore, it's not An hotel. It's a hotel, okay? It's a pronounced H, like this one, hotel. So a hotel, an hour. So far, so good? What do you have to do in this exercise? Write a or an on the line according to the noun. So for example, game. Is it a or an? A game or an game? A game, okay? Island. A island or an island? It's a vowel, so we use an, okay? So you have to complete using a or an in this part. Yes? If you have any questions, let me know. Post them on your Facebook group. And if you don't have any questions, I am going to schedule a meeting for next Monday around 6 o'clock in the afternoon, so we can meet in a live session to check our homework so far and to explain the new project, okay? So I hope there are no questions with this. It's a very simple activity, and if you have any questions, let me know on your Facebook group. And I want to show you the night. It's beautiful. So I needed a little bit of this nature and the silence of the night. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you on Monday. We're going to use maybe Microsoft Teams, because I am trying to prove to use this new tool Facebook just created. It's called something like Facebook groups or something like that. Let me check which one is easier, because I want to hear you too. I don't want to speak only me. I want to hear you too. Okay? Have fun. Bye bye.